Viewers, more than 2 weeks ago, Tigray forces started retreating towards Tigray region from Amhara, and from afar we saw large-scale withdrawal. They were close to Debre Birhan. They had not reached Debre Birhan when they started their withdrawal after suffering military setbacks in Amhara and Afar regions. Now they're out of Afar, they're out of most parts of Amhara region. It was being hoped that since they're withdrawing, so fighting will come to an end. What is the situation on the ground? Has fighting come to an end? Which fronts are busy fronts now where fighting is going on? Unfortunately, the withdrawal of Tigray forces towards Tigray has not resulted in cessation of hostilities. Fighting is still happening on at least 6 fronts. We have compiled a list of these 6 fronts. I'll try to brief you on a map about these 6 fronts where fighting is going on. So ceasefire is nowhere to be seen. Cessation of hostilities is nowhere to be seen. And it cannot happen, ceasefire or cessation of hostilities. It cannot happen until you start talks, you agree on something. Since there is no engagement between Tigray People Liberation Front and Ethiopian government, that is why fighting is still going on. I'll try to brief you in detail on the map about 6 busy fronts. Let's have a look at this map. You can see Koram on this map, viewers. To the south of Koram is Alamata. This is front number 1. Here we know that Amhara forces, Ethiopian National Defense Force members, they entered Alamata and they started moving towards Koram. They could not take control of Koram. Then a counter-offensive came from Tigray Defense Force and now reportedly ENDF and Amhara forces, they have been pushed out of Alamata. And front lines are close to Vaja. You can see Vaja here. We are receiving some reports from Alamata that in some countryside areas, fighting is still going on there. But overall, it is being confirmed that Alamata has been retaken by Tigray forces, and Amhara forces and ENDF, they have been pushed towards Vaja. Here, first front number 1, fighting is going on near Vaja and in the outskirts of Alamata too. Amhara news sources say that Amharas in Alamata are being singled out by Tigrayan forces, and these Amharas are being killed in large numbers and they're being forced to fight on behalf of Tigray Defense Force. We don't have any confirmation from independent sources, but it is being claimed by Amhara news sources that Amhara youth in Alamata is being forced to fight by Tigray Defense Force against Amhara forces and ENDF. Front number 1, viewers. Front number 2 is Tigray Afar border. You can see Abala here, viewers. Abala, situated to the east of Mekele, around 50 kilometers away from Mekele is Abala. You can see that Abala is right on Tigray Afar border, and Tigray government issued a statement about Abala 48 hours ago. It claimed that hundreds of Tigrayans had been killed in Abala by Afar regional government, and that dozens of families, hundreds of families have been pushed from Abala in western direction into Tigray, and that large number of Tigrayans have been arrested in Abala and taken to the east towards Samra. So Abala is second front. Here artillery strikes are being reported. Afar news sources say that Tigray forces are conducting shelling on Abala, and Tigray news sources say that Eritrean forces and Afar fighters, they are carrying out ethnic cleansing of Tigrayans in Abala, and Tigrayans have been pushed out of Abala. There was presence of large number of Tigrayans in Abala. Several thousand, tens of thousands of Tigrayans lived in Abala. TDF is not in control of Abala reportedly. It's sort of buffer zone between TDF and Afar forces. Front number 2, Abala viewers. Now, front number 3 is on Tigray Amhara border. It's Aber Gale viewers. Aber Gale is on Tigray Amhara border. Here you can see Sakota, and to the north of Sikota you can see Belanta. This main road, Sikota Belanta road, and here you can see border, Tigray Amhara border. This black colored dotted line shows Tigray Amhara border. This is Abergele views. Abergele on Tigray side, Abergele on Amhara side of the border. And here again fighting is being reported. Amhara sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force is trying to enter Abergele in Tigray, but Tigray news sources say that they are trying to defend Tigray. Amhara militia members are trying to enter Abergele. Fighting is being reported here close to Tigray Amhara border. Front number 3. Front number 4, we had a look at it in detail in the previous video, and this front is Adiyarke. You can see Adiyarke here. North Gondar, Adiyarke, Chubar, Zarima, then Gondar. This is red colored dotted line is Tigray Amhara border. To the north of Adiyarke is obviously Mesamre. You can see Mesamre on Tigray side of the border. And this is Adiyarke. Here, this front is the busiest front right now where heavy fighting is being reported. And Adiyarke, Haveza, Chiubar, and Boya, Mesamre. All these areas are places where fighting is being reported. It's a busy front, a large front. And Tigray forces, they withdrew from Adiyarke, but now they have launched another attack on Adiyarke, and fighting near Adiyarke and Chubar is being reported. Front number 4. Front number 5 yours is Volkayt. You can see Adi Ramat's main town of Volkayt here. From Endabagna, from Shire side, Tigray forces are moving. They're trying to move into Volkayt in western direction, viewers. And we don't know about any large-scale gains by Tigray Defense Force in Volkayt, but they are trying to push into Adi Ramats from Shire, from Endabagna side. And they are trying to keep this front busy at the Adiyarke because they want to move here in western direction towards Adi Ramats. So that is why they want to keep these two roads under pressure. You can see two roads from Gondar into western Tigray, Gondar Dansha road and Gondar Adiyarke road. So they want to keep this road under pressure, Adiyarke, because they want to advance in towards Adi Ramat from eastern direction, from Shire, from Endabagna viewers. Fifth front. Sixth front is this one, viewer. This is Tigray, or you can say Ethiopia-Sudan border. Humra, Maikadra, which are on Sudan-Ethiopia border. And from Sudan side of the border, preparations are being made to enter Ethiopia. Abdul Rafi town can be seen, Ethiopian town on Sudan border. And here reportedly some airstrikes were also reported yesterday on Sudan-Ethiopia border. Tigray fighters are organizing In one attempt, they tried to enter Ethiopia from Sudan, but they could not enter. Now, once again, we are seeing some mobilization, some regrouping of Tigray fighters on Sudan side of the border. Seventh front could be Rama, but we don't have any confirmation that a large scale attack on Rama is underway. You can see Rama here. It's to the north of Adwa. It's close to Eritrea, Tigray border. Here fighting was reported a few days ago. But we are not aware of any large-scale attack by Eritrean forces towards Adwa, but fighting was reported near Rama. These are the six main fronts, viewers, where fighting is still going on. Two fronts which need to be monitored are Adyarke, Chubar front, and secondly Volkayt. Tigray forces have been trying to make inroads into Western Tigray for months. Once again, they have launched a major offensive into Volkayt. Let's see what happens. We'll update you in coming videos. Thanks for watching.